Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Mojo. Your boy is back with a new video. It's a new day, you mean? I'm feeling good. Just got my equipment in the mail today. Got some new slides, some mags, building some new guns. But today's video is about, as you can see the title, the Holosun 507c X2. The reflex sight, the red dot, RMR. That's what we got today. So it's an unboxing video, and I'm gonna put it on my 17, my baby, and yeah, a little unboxing review setup video. So let's jump into it. Alright, while I'm unboxing this, I'm staying like this. I don't got time to switch my camera up and do all these different angles. I don't really care. We're gonna stay face to face. Y'all can see me. We're gonna open this thing up. I already know what's in the box. I already opened it, of course, but this for y'all. Let y'all see what's happening with the Holosun and see if y'all wanna buy it and things of that nature. But let's go. So to start off, boom, got the box, we just slide it out. Bam. Boom, look at that. Holosun. Oh, so say it on the Yemeners. You got the little barcode. Zoom in. Fix. Oh yeah, say Holosun. Well, it does say Holosun. It says HS 507c X2 on there. Yeah, y'all could. It won't focus, but open this thing up. Let y'all see it. It's kind of flipped upside down. Bam. Holosun 507c reflex sight. User's manual. It's in a little sealed little baggie. So this is what the box looks like. I don't want the sight to fall out, but yeah. This is what the box looks like. The sight's right there, sitting nice and pretty. So yeah, the contents of the box, got you a little wiper. Gotta keep your screen looking fresh. You spend $300 on a red dot, you gotta keep it looking good. You don't want it to be ugly. And then we got some screws. Some screws, some Loctite on there. I got a Zafari slide, I don't know how to say it, but I love these slides. But yeah, so they said use they screws, so I don't think I need these, but we got them. And then what else we got? We got the little tool, for the screws and to get to the battery pack. And then boom, the whole reason. The Holosun red dot. Look at that. See that orange tint? That shit looks sexy. Can I get it? Oh yeah, you see the red dot right there? It's that dot. This joint shakes on. So like whenever you grab it, it just turns on. It flashes. I don't know why. Cause I haven't, read the user's manual yet, because I've been waiting to make this video. But yeah, this motherfucker got the solar panels on there. The battery is right here. Some buttons on this side. And yeah, that's everything that came in this little cute little box. Presentation on a beam though, I give them that. So that's the contents of the Holosun. Now I'll show you guys what it looked like on my 17. We're gonna put it on there real quick and just show y'all guys what it looked like. Matter of fact, I just got ahead of myself. I gotta read this. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like too, what's inside the joint. So read y'all a couple things about it. So yeah, let's see. Just rip this open. Bang, bang, bang. Nice little manual. Y'all can't really read it, but this is what it looks like. So let me read y'all the features. So the features: 3 operational modes: auto, manual, and lockout. 3 reticle options: 32 MOA, circle and dot, 2 MOA, dot only, and 32 MOA, circle only. Shake awake, gotta pronounce that, not shake weight. Shake awake, motion on with last setting recall. Parallax free, unlimited eye relief. Drain holes on both sides of the optic allow for excess water to drain in wet conditions. That means you can shoot niggas in the rain. CNC milled 7075 aluminum housing, 10-day light, and 2 night vision compatible brightness settings. Window size 0.63 by 0.91 inches. IP67 certified. Damn, so you could get this joint wet. I ain't know. That's tough. That's tough. And that's like the most important information, the features. So yeah, told y'all the features. Now let's I'm gonna read the rest of this off camera, so I'm well informed on the item I purchased for $300. This little motherfucker right here. I'm trying not to curse as much, but this little thing, $300. 3 beans. 3 beans. But I've been wanting a red dot. I can't afford a Trigicon. Yeah, I mean I can, but I don't want to buy a $500 sight. So we went the cheap route and got a Holosun. But they say it's still just as good as the Trigi. So we ain't stressing. But I'm gonna read this, come back, put it on. Boom, we back. Blat out. Look at that. Look at that. Holosun, red dot. Ready to fucking go. Oh yeah, my gun has no front sight right now because I had to switch slides. I just bought this slide. Well, it just came in the mail. I bought it last week. Because this fucking slide, this is my Swenson slide. I thought this was RMR, but it isn't because the fucking Holosun didn't fit on this, so I was pissed and had to go buy a fucking new slide. So yeah, my front slide bolt got stripped, so it's right here, but the bolt is stripped. I gotta order some new sights. So that's why it has no front sight. The back sight is, I don't want to point the gun at me, but the back sight is right there. So yeah. Boop, boop, boop. Nice. This is a real Gucci Glock right here. This is a fucking Gucci Glock. Well yeah, it was real simple to put the sight on though. You just put 2 screws in, you know, use your little tool. I'm pretty sure every one comes with the same type of torque. It's a torque John, it's a torque bit. But yeah, it ain't going nowhere. You can rack it. Rack with the sight. That's love. I'm gonna be doing that a lot. Rack with the sight. That's just fun. But yeah, it's like, I read the manual. It's like 3 different types of modes and all that. You can change the sight, the reticle. You got different brightness settings. It adjusts in the sun. Like, it could tell if you're in bright places or not. But yeah, I'm excited to hit the range with this pup. Hit the range with it. See what my groupings look like. I'm excited. This could be the thumbnail. It's like, no, but yeah, Holosun 507cx2. If you looking to get one, shit, I say go for it, man. This is a cool little red dot, and it's cheaper than a Trigicon. So I'm gonna get a Trigicon though. Just I had to get a Holosun first because I wasn't gonna drop 500 on the site. Maybe 2 sights down the line, because I do want to. I'm putting a sight on every single gun I have except for my 26. I have another. There's a Fury slide, same exact one as this for my 19. I'm about to build. I'm gonna do a little video on that too. I'm gonna get I probably get another Holosun for this. And then I got my 10mm. I'm definitely putting a sight on that. That's the motherfucking bear blaster. That's what I call my 10mm, bear blaster. But yeah, Holosun 507c.